Right, this video is absolutely terrible, right? In every way possible. But the reason why I'm leaving it up is because I want people to tell me what tools I need. I need little Allen keys or little torques to take off the inserts. I haven't got them. Can someone send me a link if someone's got some for sale? I'm using a Myford Super 7B. It's a long bed and I've got a normal one as well. But any tips, any advice, anything. This is how you learn rather than, making horrible comments or something. Just basically help me and then we can stop all this horrible squeaking noise. I've left a lot of the clips so you can hear the noise it's making. So hopefully when you hear the noise, you know what I'm doing wrong. Like I said, any advice, any tools you've got for sale, anything you think will help me, I'll leave my email in the pinned comment and just get in contact with me, and hopefully then we can, be a lot better. Also, if you know what oil I need, there's loads of oil ports for this. Do I need 5 million different types of oil? Do I need just one type of oil? Anything like that, please, please help. I'm obviously watching videos, but the problem is, just like everything, everyone has their own different opinions. Put grease on the gears, don't put grease on the gears, put this oil in, don't use this, use 5 different types of oil. No, you have to use WD-40. Anyone out there who can just kind of cut all the bullshit and just give me some proper advice, someone who is used to it, it's just a lot easier than looking through 5 million videos with 5 million different answers. Thanks. Right, we are going to attempt to make something very basic that every machinist is going to laugh their absolute faces off because we're doing this on a mill. I've got a car that I need to make exhaust hangers for because the test is due in a few days. Cannot get an exhaust for this car. Like, no one stocks it, and it's going to be, they're telling me it's going to be, I don't know, weeks or months to get it. The customer needs his car and we have to make exhaust hangers. So I remembered, hold on a second, I've got a bloody lathe. I got some round bar. Let's make some exhaust hangers. Okay, so watch me attempt to make some exhaust hangers. Now, I've got some 13mm round bar. I'm hoping, because I don't know how long I need to make this, so I'm just going to cut the ends and then you'll see me bend it when it's kind of on the car and weld it. But I just want to cut the ends to get this exhaust rubber to fit, because at the minute this bar is too big. Now, I know I don't need to do this. I know a lot of exhausts are just round bar, there's not even an end on them. Some of them have an end, some of them are just kinked up, because once the exhaust is in place and hanging off, as long as this rubber is in a few inches, it's not going anywhere. But we're not going to do that. We're going to do it a little bit properly, kind of, sort of. But I need to hope that this fits down here. Oh yes, right, that is my first bit. I was worried about that, because otherwise this would have been sticking out way too far and I might not have been able to do this. Let me get the camera set up and we'll see what we can do. Let's get this in the old chuck, or tighten it up anyway. Maybe we're sticking out a bit too far, I don't need to stick out that far. And roughly I'll just mark this up to what we need. So I want a little chamfer at the end, so we'll say our chamfer can start there, and then we need roughly maybe twice the length of this machined, just in case. So I'd say about there we need machined. Right, wish me luck. I can't see my mark. Where's me mark? Just turn the machine on. About there. Right. Right. So let's see what happens. too far out. Oh, focus camera, come on, focus, you piece of shit, focus! Ah, oh, fucking camera. Is that in? Oh, that's rough as fuck. Where's me finishing mark? Just roughly so I know. I mean, that is, come on, focus. That really is as rough as fuck, but it doesn't matter for what we need. Right, let's see if that works better, the old Gamaroonie. Power feed, engage. Answer to my question is no. Fucking camera. I hope that's better. I'm just going to slightly change the speed of it to slower, because I don't know. Oh, you fucking camera. But I don't know if that's going to help the quality of the cut. We will see. Are you ready? Turn on. Cut in. Engage power feed. Faster. I thought I'd slide that down. Obviously not. Oh, the camera's falling. That could be enough. Now what I need to do is chamfer that edge, and I'm going to use a different tool for that. Right, don't know if this is the right one for it, but it is a rounded one, right? Which I think, oh, is this a different? Shouldn't be. Oh, it's a different fucking thing, isn't it? No, it's not. It's been modified, but it's not different. So, why is it going in? It is different. Fuck. I need this at the minute, don't I? So I go to a different lathe, or just take this out. Fuck it. What am I doing? Right. It fits. We're okay. We'll have to go to the other lathe. I'm also curious to see, does this leave a better cut? cut them. Oh, the fucking camera! That's not really cutting. Going to leave a little chamfer on that edge, which we've done. Very nice, chamfer, very nice. Right, but now I want to try and somehow chamfer this by hand. Don't know how well this is going to work. Well, that sounds beautiful, doesn't it? I've kind of created my little chamfer. The finish on this is absolutely fucking brutal. But it's the chamfer at the end that I'm worried about. So we're going to keep trying by hand. Camera, for fuck's sake, fucking stay. Right. Still need to go more. I got to try and move both handles at once to create what I'm looking for. I can't really do it at the minute. I'm trying to hold the camera at the same time because the fucking thing keeps fucking falling. Yeah, that's got our chamfer. We got to work out now our thickness, which is definitely not right. Let me change tools again. It's where I really need help. What tools do what? And oh, why is that so fucking high now? What the fuck's going on there? Why has that changed height? That's too high. That's not in the middle. What's happened there? Oh, fuck's sake. Wrong. It's just it's way too high. How has that got higher? That is all tied down, so how has that got higher? Oh, I'm well confused now. I don't understand how that's done that. How has that got higher? I'll have to change it. Fuck's sake, man. I can't go any lower. Is that why I'm getting a really terrible cut? Oh, why the fuck won't this go on now? fuck you and fuck you again. Get a fucking hammer in a minute and just smash you the fuck down. You fitted on there a second ago. Oh, fuck you! Fuck you again! Where the fuck is that gone now? You better fucking fit on. Fucking conduit. Fucking thing. Right. That seems to be somewhat in the middle. Completely different cut ahead. I don't know if this one's going to work. Not doing anything. What the fuck is going on here? Fuck's sake. This was supposed to be just a fun little video making some exhaust mounts very quickly. Where the fuck is that tool gone now? And it's turned in to an absolute fucking nightmare. Now I've got another one, some high-speed steel on it, but I don't know if it's fucking right. It's definitely too fucking high. Is this gonna cut? Why can't I even cut now? Why is nothing cutting? Why is nothing cutting? Fuck's sake. Right, I've got another one, but I don't know if even this is right. Well, that is definitely too fucking high. And I can't adjust that down enough. This won't allow me. It should do it. Been cut out at the bottom, so why won't that go down? Is it because of the adjustment at the top, which I haven't got the right fucking Allen key now? Do not have the time or the fucking patience for this fucking shit. Fucking just get a hammer to everything in a minute. Don't give a fuck. Why the fuck won't this just cut? All I'm asking for you to do is cut. Why is that not moving now? That's not a cutting one either. Fucking hell! Right, I've got another bit, but again I can see it's slightly damaged. I'm running out of fucking chuck things. I got loads of these holders, but I'm running out of them. I'm gonna have to start undoing these. So this still might not work. I don't know why I can't cut with the original one that I was cutting with. I just don't know. Leaving a nicer cut, but it's not cutting in enough, and the problem is it's too big, so I can only start cutting there really, which is a shame. I'll tell you something, I'm a lot happier with the actual cut. It's a lot cleaner. is a million times better. I wonder if it's got enough yet. Still do with a bit more off it. See, this fucking tool post is shit. I've got a better one. Fucking camera, stop fucking moving, will ya? We're getting somewhere now. Right, it's rough, but it's only an exhaust hanger. The most important thing is now, does this fit? Ow, that's hot. Actually, still need to take off more. I mean, my plan worked, but it just shouldn't be this difficult. Alright, that's going to work. And it will be absolutely fine. But it's taken way too long. Yeah, oh, that's perfect now. Look at that. And it's stopped there, you see that? Yeah. So it won't come back out. Oh. Right. That's going to work, but that was just way too much work. Right, I've changed my tool post out. This one has kind of got square jaws, that one's got rounded jaws. It's got this thing here, which means I can tighten it and loosen it a hell of a lot easier. I put a different tool thing on it. I still haven't got the tool to actually release that, but this seems to be cutting. So I stopped it because I wanted to do it on camera. Let's see what happens. Right, definitely working, but I don't like how much it's bouncing. Ah, it's bouncing because that's not fucking tight. Oh, fucking hell, that's why it's bouncing. Fuck's sake. I thought it was bouncing because this was sticking out too far. That's not fucking tight. What a knobhead. How did I not fucking tighten that? Now. Jesus fucking Christ, man. Now, there we go. So much nicer. Yes, that's what I was looking for in the beginning. I damaged that as well. That's a brand new tool because it was already in it, and I think I've damaged it. Oh, for fuck's sake. Right, I'm going to do this off camera. I've already showed you how I fucked up one. There's no point in me showing you how I fuck up another one. I'll show you what it's like when I've finished. That is a million times better, but still shit. Right, I'm a lot more happier with the fit. I'm a lot happier with everything. The only issue is, well, there's loads of issues. See, that fits so much nicer now. Right, I'm just going to clean it up a little bit. I just don't know what bit to use. I'm going to have to start googling it, but if anybody has the little tools for sale that I can undo these, a little one of them, see, fuck off camera, this one's got a little Allen key. I damaged that one, that's why I stopped using that one, but I still don't know if it's the right one. This one definitely cuts the best as regards cutting stuff off the side. I've got a load of high speed steel bits, but I couldn't see any with that sort of profile, so I don't know. But if anyone has got all the little tools, or gives me a link where I can buy the little tools from to change these inserts, because all my inserts are damaged and I can't fucking change them, which is a ball ache to say the least. What I want to do is just come back in with the round one, finish it off. I've got a lot nicer, that moved, got a lot nicer finish and round ball on this, and like I said, this is just an exhaust hanger. You could literally just use a round bar for an exhaust hanger. It doesn't need this little knobble at the end, it doesn't need anything. I'm only doing it to practice, so it's only really a bit of fun. It's gonna work, but it's not I even moved it a lot closer in to the chuck to stop vibration. Should be alright. Again, it's really not needed what I'm doing now. But the finish is still absolutely fucking brutal. I just don't know. I just don't know enough at the minute. I'm going to have to start really looking at this, googling it properly to see what bits I need. I know I've got the bits. Well, I think I've got the bits. Just don't know exactly which are the right bits to use. But look, at the end of the day, still got all my fingers, and I've made the parts that I wanted to. So, as regards that, we're all good. Then I'm just going to bend this to the shape I need, and this is going to be a hell of a lot thicker and stronger than the original thing. So just going to heat this up and bend it, but I won't know until I get the car how to do it. But yeah, so if anyone's got the tools to get these inserts off, knows exactly which inserts I need to basically cut, you know, for the side, please let me know. I'll leave my email in the description and in the pin link.